Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new, completely redesigned 2025 Nissan Kicks. This subcompact SUV is making a big statement, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with that head-turning exterior. Nissan ditched the cutesy look for something bolder and more aggressive. The Kicks has grown up. We're loving the new boxy design with those sleek lines and eye-catching details. It definitely commands attention on the road. Now, let's jump inside. First impression, spacious. This Kicks feels much roomier than its predecessor, both in the front and back seats. Passengers will definitely appreciate the extra legroom and headroom. Plus, the cargo space is seriously impressive, perfect for weekend adventures or hauling groceries for the whole family. Speaking of adventures, the 2025 Kicks is ready for them. Nissan finally added all-wheel drive as an option, giving you more confidence to explore beyond the pavement. And the new 2.0-liter engine packs a punch with increased horsepower and torque. It's no race car, but it delivers a smooth and peppy ride for city driving and highway cruising. Of course, safety is always a priority. The Kicks comes loaded with Nissan's Safety Shield 360 suite, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These technologies give you peace of mind on the road. But this Kicks isn't just about practicality. It's packed with tech too. The available dual 12.3-inch displays are sharp and easy to use. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, so you can stay connected and entertained on every drive. Overall, the 2025 Nissan Kicks is a compelling option in the subcompact SUV segment. It's stylish, spacious, packed with features, and surprisingly capable. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or an empty nester looking for a fun and versatile ride, the Kicks is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for joining us on this ride. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the all-new 2025 Nissan Kicks. Would you consider it for your next car? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews.